Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tifa Shule and I'm a lifestyle content creator. I am based out of Toronto, Canada, and I do everything skincare, faith, Black women in tech, makeup and beauty as well. Some travel I like to sprinkle in there because I am a nomad and I find funny in all these things mentioned. Now, if you're a new follower, look, I will ring a bell. I will ring a bell for you. I'm so excited that you're here. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you for all the support. It gets me so emotional. And if you're an OG follower, let me tell you, I have a prize for you, maybe. I'm so glad that you actually came back. You came back. Wow. I am very touched. So thank you so much. As the title states, we're going to be installing these falsies, and they're actually so simple and easy to install. Before all. So I'm going to take you through each step, show you the tools, and yeah, you can do it too. Let's get right into it. I started off with my adhesive. I chose the Fad Lash Bond and Seal. I didn't have any particular brand in mind. I just wanted something I could easily get off of like Amazon or like the drugstore or any of that. And so I just picked this one. Again, this is a proof of concept. I wasn't sure if it was going to stay, but I picked this one because it had both bond and seal, which means the adhesive as well as the sealant to stop water from getting in and all of that fun stuff. Now, this is the cluster lashes that I used. I used the Gaki, I hope I'm saying that right, in a natural C curl. All of the information is in my description box, as well as this tool. So this tool, as opposed to the regular tweezers, is a game changer because the ends are blunt, and so whatever you're doing, you're not exactly poking your eye, which is fantastic. Now here it's crazy because this is the first time I'm doing it on camera, and I kept like making mistakes and just like not getting it right because I'm used to doing it in front of my mirror. So this is you guys literally seeing me battling, fighting for my life. But we have the first lash on. And the key thing I would say though is to ensure that your lashes are not on your waterline but on your lash line. So there's a difference. Your waterline is literally connected to your eyes, but your lash line is where your lashes begin to grow from. That is where your lash should go on, right at the beginning of your lash line, not your waterline. The reason is because if it's on your waterline, then you'll be uncomfortable throughout. Your eyes will be teary, literally like just not the most comfortable thing to do. So your lash line, for sure, very comfortable. You'll be fine. So we are putting on our lashes. This was a really, enjoyable process. It took me like what? It typically takes me like 10 minutes, 12 minutes, but because I was filming, of course, it took longer. So yeah, remember to look in the mirror, adjust as necessary. If something is uncomfortable, pull it out, reapply the glue, the adhesive, which is the bond, and put in your lash. It's important to hold up your lash anywhere where you can see your lash line and know where to place. In terms of length, I did 20 inches from the back. I did 18, 16, 14, and 12. Depending on what you want, what your preference is, you can do whatever. But always remember to start from the longest at the back and then you work your way to the front to the shortest length. Now it can get tricky in terms of placement. Sometimes it would have gaps. This is fine because you can always go back in and add some more lash clusters. Again, remember to adjust, remember to look in the mirror, remember to look down, look up, see how it looks. Is it the right angle? Do you need to adjust something before you put your sealant? This is essential as you work through each lash that you put on. Honestly, I did have a good time doing this. This was fun, fun to film. It was interesting to see how I do on camera. So this is one eye done. One eye down. I don't know, the other eye to go, I guess. So I've done my right eye. This is my left eye now, and it's the same exact process. I work back to front. Some people do front to back, depending on you, but I would say as a beginner, start from the back. The back always has the longest, and then you work your way to the front to the shortest length. The lashes I got have different lengths: 20, 18, 16, 14, depending on what you like. I like my lashes to start short and then get longer as they get towards the end of my eye, and that's just a preference. So people like same length all through. You can use this method for that as well. So this is me filling in my left lash, or left eyelid rather. And I'm just adjusting as necessary, ensuring I'm looking in the mirror, nothing is poking my eye. I blink often to ensure like nothing is poking, and adjust as necessary. Add the length, make it fuller, make it thinner, depending on what you want before you add your sealant. So yeah, I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions for me, don't forget to leave a comment in the description box, ask me all the questions, and I would do my very best to respond to each and every one of you. I hope you're enjoying this video. I know I had a great time filming it. Again, remember, adjust, look in the mirror, adjust again, press it together, and make sure your lash is sitting pretty, because we don't want to be looking cursy out here. That's not what we want to do. So this is basically me done. I did go over my lashes again to make it fuller, because I wanted a more textured look, a more glam look for this particular look. And here you have the final look. I'm way too goofy, guys. I really cannot. But yeah, let me know if you enjoyed this video and if I should make more of these. Remember, God loves you, love, light, and all of the small chops that you need. Kisses. Bye.